If you've accidentally deleted messages on the ESPN Plus, there may be ways to recover them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the ESPN Plus app. Open the ESPN Plus app on your device and navigate to the Messages section. Sometimes, deleted messages may still be visible in the app's recent activity or archived messages. Step 2. Review email notifications. If you have email notifications enabled for ESPN Plus, check your email inbox. Look for any messages related to your ESPN Plus account that may contain the information you need. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to ESPN Plus customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the deleted messages and ask if they can help recover them or provide the information again. Step 4. Check connected devices. If you use ESPN Plus on multiple devices, check each one. Sometimes, messages may still be stored on another device where you access your account. Step 5. Regular backups. For future reference, consider regularly backing up important messages or information from ESPN Plus. This could be done by taking screenshots or saving relevant details in a secure location. If these steps do not lead to recovery, it may be challenging to retrieve deleted messages. Always remember to keep backups of important information moving forward.